I'm Julie Hayward and I'm one of the owners and the company secretary of First Components Limited. First Components are a manufacturing company and we make parts for loads of different industries, including the bus and coach industry, automotive, white goods, etc. All our products are made on the latest CNC machines using the latest technologies. We've been working with Supreme Systems for just over 3 years now, and we've always found them to be very responsive and very helpful. Our calls are always answered with very quick response times, and all problems are usually fixed remotely from Supreme's office in Birmingham, or on occasions they have had to come onto site to sort problems out on site, but they've always been very responsive and we've always had very satisfactory results. As we've grown our company, Supreme have grown with us. We always consult Supreme before we do expand. When we first started with Supreme, we probably only had around 6 computers. We now have about 16, and we've got different servers running, different programs running. But before we invest in any kind of software or new computer equipment, we always consult and take the advice of Supreme Systems, because they're the computer experts and we're the engineers.
We've been working with Supreme Systems for coming up to 2 years now. We went out to tender and they came up with what we thought was the best offer. I was impressed by the way they spoke in sort of non-technical terms. We were able to talk about how they wanted to take the business forward. We've put together a sort of plan where whenever there is work that needs doing, it tends to be done on a weekend, which doesn't affect the staff. So on a number of occasions, maybe 2 or 3 weekends in the last couple of years, they've come in and done the work, which hasn't then affected sort of the day-to-day operations. The staff are very knowledgeable, helpful. We have a good communication line with them, and at the moment now we're at a place where we see very little of them because the system's working well, and that's how we want it to be. And we've certainly developed our IT system and worked in partnership with them.
Hello, I'm Jonathan Simons, David Simons Associates, a small civil and structural engineering practice based in Birmingham. We've been working with Supreme Systems now for about 3 or 4 years. They took over the management of our computer systems. Since that time, they've helped us with the day-to-day management of the computers. 2 years ago, they installed a new server for us. And in the last month, they've helped us manage moving from our old offices into these new premises, helping make the move as seamless as possible. One of the main advantages of working with Supreme is the fact that when we ring up Supreme and speak to them, being a relatively small company like us, we're speaking to the same people time after time.
If you would like to find out more about how Supreme Systems can help you, visit our website at www.supremesystems.co.uk or call us on 0800 001 5942.